Welcome to the Loews Hotel in Coral Gables, Miami. I reserved this hotel using the Fine Hotels and Resorts from American Express, where you get some extra benefits such as a daily credit, free breakfast, early check-in and late checkout. I checked in at 9 o'clock and they were able to give me a room, which is actually very nice. There was no one at the check-in counter when I arrived here. I had a room with a balcony, but I requested a room with a top, which they don't have a lot of them, and the top is very underwhelming, and now I'm kind of reconsidering my decision. I plan to use it nonetheless, but perhaps that would have been better with a shower. And the bathroom is nice design, kind of modern, but it's a little small, and they only have one sink, which is a little bit of a bummer. Other than that, the hotel is fairly new, only 2 years. I think it's been open, today's 2025. I said, welcome in Coral Gables. There's not that many hotel offerings in Coral Gables, which is surprising being such a popular area of Miami. Most of the people want to be at the beach and see the water. You got a robe as a traditional semi-luxury hotel. Loews is kind of like semi-luxury, but you always get good deals. I reserved this room for a very good deal, under $400. You get the espresso. There's no cold offerings, only an empty fridge. In terms of the minibar, you do get some water and some other stuff for minibar. This will be part of your daily credit with American Express. I find the room to be a little small. Good decoration, kind of simple. I like the nice accent pillow. The bed is pretty comfy. I tried it already. But the room is a little small, I think, for this kind of category of hotel room. You get a nice view of the city. I'm on the 14th floor. The pool, I think it's on the 8th floor, so you get a nice view of the pool. There's no one at the pool. It's a Friday at about 10 o'clock. Which is nice. Plenty of availability on a hot day like today. Again, this is the Loews on Coral Gables, Miami, part of the Fine Hotels and Resorts from American Express.